Home remedy for hair restoration. Worried about hair thinning? Here's a home remedy for hair restoration that's backed by science and easy to try at home. Home remedies that actually help. First, instant coffee isn't just for your mug. When used on your scalp, caffeine wakes up hair roots, blocks a hormone called DHT that triggers hair loss and keeps hair growing stronger for longer. Next, rosemary oil. This natural oil boosts blood flow to the scalp and calms swelling. Studies show it can work as well as some common hair growth treatments. Finally, grapeseed oil. It's light, full of antioxidants, and keeps your scalp healthy, shiny, and moisturized. DIY Hair Restoration Serum. Here's how to make it. Take 1 ounce, 40 milliliters of grapeseed oil. Dissolve a teaspoon of instant coffee in warm water and add it in. Add 10 drops of rosemary oil. Shake well and keep it in a dark bottle. Every day, massage a small amount onto your scalp. This simple blend helps fight the main causes of hair loss and supports fuller hair over time. Try it. And if you found this helpful, like, comment, and follow for more doctor-backed hair tips.
See you in the next one.